We are back and we are ready to attack. Now, in this episode, we're already kind of down on our luck, so we just gotta say and try to get in the casino. Let's immediately try with a 10% bet and see if we can hit a little bit of money, man. Oh no. Okay, poor start. You know what? We gotta up it a bit. And see if we can hit it or not. I'm so cooked. Oh my god. You know what? Fuck it, we're doing a big bet. Please. Why you taking so long? Please. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whew. We were almost cooked.